So Amazon have added another feature to the Firestick in a recent update, and it's a feature many users have been asking for. If you want to find out what it is, stay tuned. It's a feature that can free up storage in one click. So I'm gonna show you what it does in the settings right now. So to get this feature on your Fire device, first you gotta make sure your device is up to date. So go over to your settings, which is on the far right, push down and click on My Fire TV. Within My Fire TV, click on About, and within About, scroll down to check for updates. And make sure your device is fully up to date. As you can see, mine's downloading an update now, so let's give that a second. Click on Install Update. Let it install the update. Don't touch anything as it says right now. This may take a few minutes. Do not press any buttons on the remote. And as you can see, the update's done. So it wasn't a system update, it's just a minor update, folks. So if I press back again, our Fire device is up to date. So what is this new feature? Well, Amazon have added the ability to clear your app cache with one click, folks. Yes, similar to what you have on the Google TV devices with the TDUK app cache cleaner. The same is now on the Fire TV devices, but it's built in, folks. No app required. So where is this new feature? Well, if you stay in your settings and then go over to applications, click on that, you will see a brand new feature called Clear All Application Caches, and like it says on the tin, it does what it says. Right, so if we click on Clear All Application Caches, it will say Clear All App Caches. Are you sure you want to delete the caches of all installed applications? Deleting will free up 70.47 megabytes of storage. Are you sure you want to continue? So before we click confirm, let's click cancel and let's go into our manage installed applications. Now I want to check how much cache I have. So that's got 28 kilobytes, 69 kilobytes, 2 megabytes, 20 kilobytes, 3 megabytes, 11 megabytes, 57 kilobytes, 86 kilobytes, 19 megabytes, 16 kilobytes. So I'm just going through my applications right now, 8 megabytes, so I can see before and after. Right, I think we've seen enough now. So if we click on back and then try out this new Clear All Application Caches feature, it'll say the same message. Just click on confirm, and then if we go into it again, remember it said from memory, I believe it was 70.47 megabytes. if we click on it again, it now says 320 kilobytes. And if you're confused, and if you're thinking that should say 0, it hasn't worked. It needs to store some cache so the app can run, folks. So if we click on cancel, and if we go back into manage installed applications, and as you'll see 16 kilobytes, and as you can see now all down to 16.38 kilobytes. And once again, it can't go any lower than that, because if it is, the app would not run, folks. Okay, so as you can see right now through my app, it has successfully cleared all the cache. So this can be a nice way to free up stores on your Firestick. I do not recommend you doing this all the time, folks. In fact, I do not recommend you doing this at all. If only if an app that's giving you issues, that's the only time I recommend you clearing the cache, folks. Because if you clearing the cache all the time, you could run into issues with the apps, with things not loading up properly because it doesn't have that cache to load it up, folks. Meaning that it'll take a longer time to load up. It won't take a massive long time, but the app will once lower with less cache. So that's why it's actually good to have cache on your applications. But if an app's giving you an issue, what you can do not click on clear all application caches unless you really want to. Go into manage installed applications, find the app that's giving you the issue, click on clear cache and force stop, and hopefully that should solve your issue. I just wanted to bring you this new feature because I know a lot of people have been asking for it. So if you find it useful, give it a thumbs up, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you're new, also send the video as well, guys. That way it gets out to more people. And with that all being said, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video.